Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this project I will show you how to use Elastic Load Balancing and Autoscaling services to load balance and autoscale my infrastructure. Let's start. Task 1. Create an AMI for autoscaling. In the search, type open EC2. Okay, first you will confirm the instance is running. Okay, select web server, actions, choose image templates, click create image. Okay, name web server AMI lab AMI for web server. Scroll down and choose create image. The confirmation panel display the AMI for my new AMI. I will use this AMI when launching the autoscaling group later in this lab. Task 2. Create a load balancer. In this task, I will first create a target group and then I will create a load balancer. In the left, choose target groups, choose create target group, choose a type instance, name, lab, select lab, choose next, click review target, next, choose create target group, in the left choose load balancers, create load balancer, under application load balancer, choose create, name ELB, scroll down the network mapping, choose lab. I will now specify which subnet the load balancer should use. Choose first and use public. Choose a second and choose a public subnet 2. In the security groups, select web security and uncheck the default. Okay, in the default action, target group, select lab, scroll down, choose create load balancer. I have the message. Task 3. Create a launch template and an autoscaling group. In this task, I will create a launch template for my autoscaling group. In the left, choose launch templates, choose create launch template, name lab config. Under autoscaling, select provide. In the application, select my AMI. In the Amazon machine image, in instance type, choose T2 micro and keep here bucket. In firewall, select existing security group, and in security group, choose web security group. Scroll down, expand advanced details, scroll down, in detail CloudWatch monitoring, select enable, choose create launch template. I have message success. Choose lab, in the actions, choose create autoscaling group, name lab autoscaling group. In launch template, choose lab config, choose next. In the VPC, choose lab. Availability zone, choose private subnet 1, and then choose private subnet 2. Choose next. Choose attach to existing load balancer. An existing load balancer target, choose lab. In group size 2, 6. Okay, choose target tracking scanning. Name, policy. Target value 60. Additional setting. Click enable group. Next. Next. Choose add tag. Name. Lab. Choose next. Task 4. Verify that load balancing is working. In this task, I will verify that load balancing is working correctly. Click instance. You should see 2 instances. Okay. Scroll down. Choose target groups. Select lab. Select target tab. 2 target instance name lab instance should be listed in the target group. Okay, choose load balancer. Click lab. Copy DNS name. Open the new web. Okay, the application is here. Task 5. Test auto-scaling. Return to the console. In the service type CloudWatch. Open. All alarms. The service type EC2. Open EC2. In the left, select auto-scaling groups. Select lab auto-scaling group. Actions. Edit. Okay, task 6. Terminate web server 1. In this task, I will terminate web server 1. Okay, instance. Select web server 1. Instance state.